Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to learn history of Olympic Games. Let's start with the origin of ancient Olympic Games. How they all began Olympic Games? The Olympic Games began over 2700 years ago in Olympia, in southwest Greece. The Olympic was a religious event. Athletes competed to honor Zeus, the king of the ancient Greek god. 5% of the freeborn men of the Hellenic were trekked to the temple of Zeus in Olympia. Dueling city-state who declared truces so that athletes could take part in the Olympics. Events include in Olympics wrestling, chariot racing, pancration. While only men were allowed to compete in the original Olympics, there was a smaller festival for female athletes. The Women's Games were held at Olympia and dedicated to Zeus Constra Hera. The Asian Games ended in 393 AD when the Christian Emperor the Theodosius I banned all pagan festivals. But in 1896 the games were revived in Athens. Originally, the Olympics were held in the summer, and in 1924, the Winter Olympics were introduced. The period of time between the Olympic Games is called an Olympiad. It consists of 4 years. Today, we are alternate between the Winter and Summer Olympics every 2 years. Next, we move on Olympic flag and rings. The Olympic flag has a white background, five interlocked colored rings in the center of the Olympic flag. Five interlocked colored rings are the Olympic symbol. They are each of different color in red, black, green, blue, and yellow. The ring represents the five part of the world that we are joined together in the Olympic movement. America, Australia, Africa, Asia, and Europe. The five rings represent the five continents. The colors are all in the national flag that compute. The Olympic flag was made in 1913 after the suggestions of Baron. This flag was inaugurated in Paris in June 1914. This flag was first hoisted in the year 1920 AD. The rings in the flag symbolized friendship to be joined from the international competition. The Olympic motto. The Olympic motto is made up the Latin words, namely Citius, Altius, Fortius. It means faster, higher, stronger. The inspiring string of word is trace to the inspire the athletes to compare to the best of their capabilities and always string to be better. Olympic torch. The Olympic torch is fit at the site of an ancient status of the Greek god Zeus. Olympic torch symbolized purity. A flame was ignited by the sun and kept burning until the closing of the Olympic Games. The flame symbolized the death and rebirth of Greek heroes. The first torch relay took place at the 1936 Games in Berlin, Germany. Olympic oath. At the opening ceremony of the Games of athletes take on oath. Olympic oath is a promise made by one athlete, judge, or official and one coach at the opening ceremony of each Olympic Games. Each oath taker is from the host nation and takes the oath on behalf of the all athlete. Officials are coaches at the games. Here, the list of Summer Olympics Games are given. In 1916, due to the First World War, Olympic Games cancelled. In 1940 and 1944, due to the Second World War, the Games was cancelled. Now, 2020, the game was postponed to 2021 due to the coronavirus. In Winter Olympic Games, also 1940 and 1944, the game was cancelled due to the Second World War. The following sports are part of the Summer Olympics: archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, canoeing, cycling, diving, equestrian, fencing, field hockey, soccer, gymnastics, handball, judo, pentathlon, rowing, sailing, shooting, swimming, synchronized swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, triathlon, volleyball, water polo, weightlifting, wrestling. The following sports are part of the Winter Olympics: biathlon, cross country, downhills, freestyle aerials, Nordic combined, snowboarding, ski jumping, super G, bobsleigh, fluke, skeleton, curling, figure skating, ice dancing, ice hockey, speed skating, short track. Special Olympics. Special Olympics was introduced in the year 1968. Special Olympics is the world's largest sports organization for children and adults with physical disabilities. The Special Olympics also alternate between summer and winter games in 2 year cycles recurring the every 4 year. Thank you kids. Stay home, stay safe.